Hi, in this video, I will guide you about how to do year begin process and sequence change in TruePOS. Year begin sequence change allows businesses to reset transaction numbers for sales bills, sales orders, purchase orders, receipt note, etc. at the start of the new financial year. Now, let's see how to do year begin sequence change in TruePOS. Go to Tools, select Configuration and select Business Configuration. Here in the search field, type branch. You will get an option of branch wise sequence number. Enable this checkbox and click on Save. Now let's see how to set the start sequence number for a new year. Go to Tools, select More and select Year Begin Sequence Change. In this screen, you have to choose the particular business type from the drop down, and after selecting the business type, you can choose the particular location for which you want to do the sequence change. Now, after selecting the location, you will be having the transaction details where you can do the sequence change. For example, if you put 25260000 in the purchase transaction, then the next sequence will be starting from 25260001. After doing the necessary changes in the transaction for sequence change, just click on Save. You will be getting a successful message: the sequence number changed successfully. Sequence number can be updated only once in a year for all or selected transactions. Once updated, cannot be reverted back. Choose Tools option and select Year End Process. Here, select the location by pressing Enter key from the drop down and select the transaction year. After selecting the transaction year, the next financial year begin date will be set automatically. Now select the ledger which will carry forward the balances. Now you have force year end option. If you choose yes, then it will carry forward closing balances of suppliers, customers, etc. as opening balances for the new year. Then click on Run Year End. When you click on Run Year End Process, then system will ask force year end will delete all the existing opening balances for the new transaction year. Please check before continuing the operation. Do you still want to continue? Then click on OK. Now you will get a confirmation message that indicates that the successful transaction to the financial year has been completed. Now after doing the run year end process, we have to do the manual change in add-on service as well. So for that, go to Tools module, select Add-on Service. In this screen, click on Edit button and change the fiscal year as 2025 to 2026. The fiscal year end will be updated automatically after saving this. Now you can see the fiscal year updated to 2025 to 2026. This is how you can do year begin process and sequence change in TruePOS. Thanks for watching this video.